Hey guys, welcome back to Motorcycle Maintenance Channel. We're here at Heart of Texas Conversions, and our buddy Thomas, the owner, has some interesting modifications to his Kawasaki Z900 we wanted to show you guys. Hey Thomas.
Hey Lonnie, what's up, bud?
How you doing, man? It's a nice bike you got. It's a little different than what we're used to seeing. I know you used to ride your RC51,
Yes,
but this is a different style of machine. I like what you did to it, man. You want to tell us about it?
Yeah, most definitely. Yeah, the RC51, the sport bike, it's a nice ride. I kind of wanted something a little more naked. I was more going for the styling of a bike, really, as far as a ride. But yeah, you can see it's a little bit different. We did the wood grain vinyl wrap on here. It's my first time messing with a vinyl wrap, and I don't know what kind of brought that to my mind, but I'm kind of glad I did it because it really brings out the angles and the natural look of the bike, and it really accentuates everything.
It really does, and it's done so nicely. It actually looks like real wood.
Yeah, thank you very much.
It looks like real wood.
Yeah, it does.
It's impressive.
It's a really cool look. Yes, you can have a gumball. But I think I'm going to keep going with the wood grain, and we're going to kind of go throughout it. It's, learning the process, my first time doing it. I don't know, I was kind of feeling maybe a little bit of UGK in me. I kind of want that wood grain in there, so.
Yeah, I'm feeling that. It looks good, man. I like this nose piece you got up here.
Yeah, and it really, the grain, I feel like, really accentuates the angles of the trim, that get hidden with just a solid piece of color.
It does. It defines this stuff here.
Yeah, it really does. And I think that's kind of like it brings out some of the beauty of those angles that are just natural to the bike.
Right. And I mean, you obviously have experience with the shop doing this kind of stuff. So, man, it looks nice.
Hey, I appreciate it. I can't wait to finish this project and kind of like maybe test my limits with this vinyl wrap, and maybe even continue it on forward with like other vans that we build here, or hoods, or other bikes. We'll see what's up.
Yeah, man, when you go on a cruise.
Yeah, most definitely. Sounds good.
Check it out.
Yeah, most definitely. Has a pretty color to it, and yeah, got my exhaust coming in. We might be putting it on together, and then sooner or later I also want us to put on some sprockets on here. So got a couple mods coming this way, so yeah.
All right. You hear that, Motorcycle Maintenance Channel?
Yeah.
We're going to be doing some sprockets on this bike, and some other maintenance. So this will be one more bike that we can show you guys how to do things to.
Sounds good.
Sounds good. Nice talking
Yes, sir.
to you.